Hey everyone, Travis here with Arbor Ridge. Wanted to show you a really cool way to filter an ecosystem pond without using a skimmer. So this is our intake bay set up here, and we'll do some more articles and details of how this is exactly put together. But basically the water is drawn all the way across the pond into this area right here, and it kind of goes over a little bit of a weir or ledge, and then its debris is pulled up onto this little beach area here, and we put a small piece of screen, plastic screen, just to make it easier to clean the debris off. And that's about it as far as the maintenance goes, just keeping the leaves and everything pulled off of there. And it works great. It prevents the debris that falls onto the pond from sinking to the bottom. It draws it right over here where you can clean it up. So works really, really well, and in many situations is really the way to go. So hope this is helpful to you. Thanks, and have a great day.